So ninth class is assignment of chapter 1 visible to all. Let us revise all the questions once again. So that will be the revision of the chapter also. Name 3 types of computers operation wise. 3 types of computers operation wise. Yes, Raghav. Unmute yourself, Raghav.
Sir, general purpose computers.
Operation wise.
Digital computers, analog computers.
Digital, analog, and third one is the combination of digital and analog. Hybrid. So operation wise, we have 3 computers: digital, analog, and hybrid. Okay. Which computer deals with the continuous data? Which computer deals with continuous data? Yes, Barbie, unmute yourself. Barbie, unmute yourself, beta. Barbie, am I audible to you? Unmute yourself, bete. Am I audible to you? All right, Tanveen, you unmute yourself.
Sir, digital computer.
Beta, which deals with the continuous data.
सर आपने discontinuous
Digital.
बोला था.
I am asking continuous data.
Sir, analog computer.
Analog computer. All right. What is hybrid computer? Who will tell? What is hybrid computer? Yes, Gaurav, unmute yourself.
The combination of analog and digital computers that have special functions are called hybrid computers.
Very nice, very right. Okay. My next question, it's for Japji. Japji, name any 2 examples of supercomputer. Bete, any 2 examples of supercomputer, Japji?
Yes, sir. CDC 205 and Anurag.
Yes, Param, Anurag, these 2 supercomputers, they are made in India. Very right. All right. Name 2 types of computers purpose wise. 2 types of computers purpose wise. Yes, Hirday. Unmute yourself, Hirday. Yes, yes.
Morning, sir.
Very good
Sir.
morning. Very good morning.
There's special purpose computer, general purpose computer.
Very right, Hirday. Very good. General purpose computer, special purpose computer. Beta, please, all of you put your hands down. I will unmute myself. I will take the name of the child, then the child will unmute himself or herself. So please don't raise hand today. All right. This question is for Chaitanya. Chaitanya, unmute yourself. Beta, third question. Name 3 sections or components of CPU.
Sir, ALU, CU, registers.
Very nice, very good. ALU, CU, and registers. ALU means arithmetic and logic unit. CU, control unit. And then is registers. All right. This question is for Keshav. Keshav, unmute yourself. Keshav, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Keshav, tell me the full form of SMS.
Sir, short message service.
Very right, Keshav. Short message service. Keshav, another question for you. Full form of email.
Electronic mail.
Very right, Keshav. Good response. Now, I would like to ask question from Harshit Bedi. Harshit Bedi, unmute yourself, beta. Harshit, am I audible to you? Unmute yourself. Harshit. All right, Dipali, unmute yourself. Dipali, am I audible to you? Unmute yourself,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
Yeah, beta. Tell me the full form of VoIP. VoIP.
Voice over Internet Protocol.
Very good. Another question for you. Full form of ALU, Dipali.
Arithmetic and Logic Unit.
Full form of PDA.
Personal Digital Assistant.
Personal Digital Assistant. Very right. Very correct. All right. This question is for Lavanya. Lavanya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Beta, fifth question. Name any 4 types of digital computers. Name any 4 types of digital computers.
Sir, microcomputers, mainframe computers, analog computers, and hybrid computers.
Beta, no type of digital, bete. You are mixing operation wise and digital types together. Only 4 types of digital computers, beta. Microcomputer is okay. What else?
Mainframe computers.
Yes, mainframe computer. Very good. Third one.
Mini computers.
Mini computers. Very right. Fourth one.
Analog computers.
Beta, no. Which is the most powerful? Yes, supercomputer, bete. Okay. Nice. All right. This question is for Kanish. Unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, sir.
Kanish, your question is number 6. Mention any 4 advantages or strength or characteristic. Beta, 3.
Speed.
Listen the question carefully. In 3 forms, I can give the question to you. Mention any 4 advantages of computer. Second form, mention 4 strength of computer. Third form, mention 4 characteristics of computer. Okay, so it's one and the same thing. So yes, Kanish, answer the question.
High speed.
High speed, reliable,
Versatility.
versatility,
High accuracy.
high accuracy. Very right. All right. This question is for Tanveen. Tanveen, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tanveen, can you tell me the meaning of versatility? Ansha, unmute yourself and tell me the meaning of versatility.
Sir, it is the ability of the computer to perform many tasks at the same time.
Yeah, very right. The ability or the capability of the computer to perform multiple tasks at the same time. That is called versatility feature. All right. Then I would like to unmute Manyavid. This question is for you. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Manyavid, you tell me how reliability is an advantage to computer.
Computers are they are not
they do not become tired or bored. They are more reliable than human
Yes,
beings.
after working plenty of hours, computer doesn't get tired or boredom. Very right, very correct. All right. Jia and Janvi, unmute yourself. Jia and Janvi, unmute yourself. Am I audible to you, Jia and Janvi? Ishani, are you there? Unmute yourself, Ishani.
Yes, sir.
All right, Ishani, tell me two limitations of computer.
Sir, they have zero IQ
Zero IQ, very right.
and lack of decision making power.
Lack of decision making power, very right, very correct. All right. Harshita, unmute yourself, beta. Harshita, unmute yourself. Am I audible to you, bete? Harshita. All right. Jia, unmute yourself. 28 roll number. Jia, am I audible to you? Unmute yourself, beta. Navedita, are you there? Unmute yourself, Navedita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Navedita. Question for you, number 7. Mention 4 functions of computer.
Input, process, storage, output.
Very right, Navedita. Very good. Input, output, process, and storage. Very right. All right. Dhwani, are you there? Dhwani, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, sir.
Question for you is, in digital computers, data is represented in dash. Your options are decimal form, hexadecimal form, binary form, all above. Dhwani? Raghav, question for you is, in digital computers, data is represented in binary form, decimal form, hexadecimal form, all above.
Sir, can you please repeat the options?
Binary form, decimal form, hexadecimal form, all above.
Sir, binary form.
Yes, the correct answer is binary form. In digital computers, data is represented in form of binary form, binary digits. All right. This question is for Tanveen. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Again, the problem is coming. Am I audible clearly, Tanveen?
Yes.
All right. Manyaveet, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
All right. Which two digits are called binary digits?
0 and 1.
0 and 1. 0 and 1 are known as binary digits. Okay. Name the smallest unit of storage. Name the smallest unit of storage. Yes, Anshya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Name
bit.
bit. Very right, very correct. All right. Next is, I would like to unmute Gaurav. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Dash is known as brain of computer system.
CPU.
CPU. Remain here only, Gaurav. Next question for you. Which two memories are known as IAS, and what is the full form of IAS?
RAM and ROM are two memories which are IAS. Internal access storage is the full form of IAS.
Immediate access storage, beta. The full form of IAS is immediate access storage, and RAM and ROM are two memories which are known as IAS. All right. Harshit Sharma, unmute yourself. Harshit Sharma, unmute yourself. Am I audible to you, Harshit? Harshit, am I audible to you? Your voice is not coming to me. Unmute yourself. Lavanya, unmute yourself. Lavanya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Lavanya, name two types of primary memory.
RAM and ROM.
RAM and ROM. All right. Lavanya, next question for you. Tell me differences between RAM and ROM. As many as you can.
RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read-only memory.
Then next difference, beta.
So RAM is volatile memory. ROM is
Yes, ROM is
non-volatile.
non-volatile. Very right.
RAM stores the files temporarily. ROM stores the instructions for your computer permanently.
Then next. Very right. You are going right. In RAM, we can read as well as write the data. In ROM, we can only read the data. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Data can be easily altered in RAM, but not easily alterable in ROM. All right. Next, this question is for Dipali. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
It's a MCQ type question. Dipali, listen carefully. Which memory stores BIOS, basic input output storage? Okay. Secondary memory, RAM, ROM, none of the above. I repeat the question. Which memory stores BIOS, basic input output storage? Secondary memory, RAM, ROM, none of the above.
Secondary memory.
No, beta, it's ROM, read only memory. Okay. ROM is the memory that stores instructions for basic input outputs. Gurleen, unmute yourself. Gurleen, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Gurleen, beta, tell me the function of ALU. Gurleen, you are to unmute yourself. All right, Gia, you answer the question. Gia, 28 roll number, unmute yourself.
Sir,
Yes, you tell me.
ALU stands for arithmetic and logic unit. The function performed by it that it can solve the arithmetic and logical operations.
It can solve the arithmetic and logical problems. Very right, very correct. All right, this question is for, next is, let me unmute. Ishani, unmute yourself. Ishani?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ishani, name any 6 input devices.
So keyboard,
Keyboard,
mouse,
mouse,
microphone, scanner,
scanner, microphone. 2 are left.
barcode reader,
Barcode reader, very right. 1 left.
OMR,
OMR. Bete, what is the full form of OMR?
optical mark reader.
Very right, Ishani. Very correct. Shabash. Optical mark reader. Very right. All right. Ritika, are you there in the class? Ritika? Beta, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Ritika, tell me the full form of OCR. OMR is optical mark reader. What is OCR stands for? Yes, Ritika. Be confident. Yes, Prabjot, you unmute yourself. You answer this question. All right, Raghav, you answer this question.
Yes, sir.
OCR,
Optical character reader.
optical character reader. Very right, very correct. All right, this question is for Kanish. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Kanish, full form of MICR.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
You have revised chapter 1, 2. You have sent the assignments. Beta, be confident.
Yes,
Magnetic ink character reader. Okay.
okay, sir.
Magnetic ink character reader. Right?
Okay, sir.
All right. Now, let me have the last round of the question. So, Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav, what is the full form of BCR?
Barcode reader,
Barcode reader. What is the full form of CD?
compact disc,
DVD.
digital versatile disc,
Digital versatile disk. IPO.
Input process output.
Input process output.
Output.
Okay. PDP. It's a type of monitor, beta. Plasma display panel. Plasma display panel. Okay.